You give a big sales presentation or management briefing and then you wait to see how you did. Smiles or frowns? Thunderous applause or a polite golf clap? Objections or nods of agreement? Speakers often deliver a presentation and have mixed thoughts on what went well and what needs improvement. Here are 5 ways to measure your success as a presenter. First, what was the outcome of your last presentation? Did you motivate the listener to take action? Did they buy your product? Did they approve your budget? Did they support your cause? Next, did you build a strong case? A good measure of an effective presentation is that it's a persuasive case with strong structure. This usually results in good feedback and action from your audience. Did your presentation advance your career? What was the perception of you and your abilities? How well did you deliver the presentation? Did you tell a story in the best light possible with substance and style? Did you decrease your prep time? Consider your general process when preparing a presentation. Your productivity should always increase while your prep time decreases and without losing peak performance. Did you improve your personal best? Just as a marathon runner who often competes against their own personal best rather than other runners, how do you feel about the presentation? Were you confident or nervous? Was the audience fully engaged? Did you use time management skills and techniques to include all your key points and clarify concerns? Your presentations, both outcome and process, deserve analysis. After each one, take a minute to evaluate. That's the key to continued improvement.